Hi guys, my name is Judy and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how we live and escape pandemic here in nature campsite. Join me on my daily routine. That's why I'm wearing my dirty and comfy clothes, because living in a van will make you dirty all the time. So hang out with me guys, don't leave. Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna show you what is my day like in nature campsite. First thing I do is open this hatch so that I can breathe fresh air and look a bit for a while until I wake up. Buksan ko muna tong ilaw. Ayan. Bali, in-install ko lang tong LED light kasi masyadong madilim. Pantala. So, medyo malamig ngayon kaya hindi ko bubuksan ng todo. Ay, medyo makulim. Pero malamig, kaya malamig. So, tingnan nyo guys, medyas ako na makapal kasi malamig. So, ito is basil at coriander. Medyo nabubulok siya kasi basa or nagmo-moist, kaya kailangan patuyuin sa heater. So, ito heater. Bago ko siya ilagay sa box. Then, magtitimpla ko ng kape. Aking hugasin. Mamaya, nanunuot ka na. So, ito yung almusal ko ngayon. Para siyang leche plan na nasa tinapay. So, they call it nata. Ngayon naman. At ako'y maliligo. Ito na medyo nakakatamak sa camping. Medyo malayo yung banyo, nakakatamad. Pero, kahit na may banyo rito, mas nakaka-save pa rin ng work pag dun ka sa designated na banyo maliligo kasi hindi ka na magdi-drain. So, tara. Isan, tinatapon yung dumi, yung jebs at pupu. Jebs at wiwi. Ayan, yan. Ito naman. Pet shower. Ayan, what? Surfboard, wash point. So, ito na yung CR, guys. Yung babae. So, ayan, malinis. And titignan ko muna kung iinit yung tubig. Ay, sobrang lamig. Parang may yelo.
After 1 hour.
Lamig. It's near lunchtime, so I need to cook rice. Then I will just wash it outside. Okay, now it's washed. So while waiting for my rice, I will make fresh apple juice. So let's see my rice. It's cooked already. Ta-da! I only know how to cook egg, guys, so because my husband is the one doing all the complicated cooking for me. Bon appetit! Back to work. Need to wash all the dishes. Fetch some water. Oh, backache. This is not as comfy as in my house. This needs to dry up. To make fresh vegetables last longer, they need to store super dry and put tissue inside the storage box like this. And put also tissue on top before closing it. Motorhome becomes dirty so quick. I'm sweeping the floor 10 times a day, inside and out. So guys, as soon as I wake up and before I go to bed, I always put the cat food outside for the stray cats. So this is the same cat food I used to feed the cat. So I usually don't see them, but when I wake up in the morning, it's always empty. So let's see if we can catch the cats who's eating it. Now I need to laundry all my bed sheets and towels. I'm just a bit bored, so I use my ATV to have fun on the way to the laundry area. Maglaba!
After 1 hour.
So tara guys, tingnan natin kung tapos na yung aking labada. Okay, tapos na. Now we put this in the dryer. So ngayon, trip kong mamulot ng pine cone. So baka ibenta natin in the future.
After 1 hour.
Wow, it's super dry. No need to hang. Let's go back. I'm super hungry. I will make my favorite snack, Vietnamese spring rolls. Ingredients are deveined boiled shrimp, avocado, ripe mango, basil, and mint leaves, bell pepper, lettuce, lime, and rice paper. Then just wrap it all up and tada! So ayan, pwede na to sa taong gutom, pero hanap ako mamaya ng hindi butas na rice paper. Tapos hatiin lang sa gitna. Tapos yung favorite ko, pipigaan ko siya ulit ng kalamansi. Yan, so favorite snack ko na siya with the coffee. Kaya kong kumain nito ng isang upuan, mga 5. Tapos kape. Ayan, nakapaglinis na ako lahat-lahat. Laba, hugas ng plato. Then ngayon, si-set up ko ng aking opisina. Ayan, so nagsindi ako ng katol. Para mabugaw yung mga lamok. And then meron din ako nilagay na citronella.
Ring light shake. Laptop shake. Headset shake. Mouse shake. Hard drive shake.
And then minsan natutulog ako dito, lalo na pagka may kailangan i-render na inedit ko and then magdamag. Kaya ayoko nang, minsan tinatamad na ako galawin or ligpitin kasi pinapasok ko sa Campervan yung mga importante kong gamit. So, pumupunta lang ako dito pag mag-work na non-stop. So, yun. And that's basically my typical day living in Campervan in a nature campsite. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Please comment what you think and any video topic you want me to make.
Thank you very much.
Subscribe now.